Hello everyone, this is me Sumaya from Beauty Book by Sumaya, and today I'm going to show you this makeup tutorial right here. And in this video I have used most of the Wet n Wild products, and this is kind of neutral glam look. So if you want to see how I do this, then please keep on watching. So first I'm applying this Wardah Lightening Day Cream Step 1, and it will work as my moisturizer. Next step, I'm going to use this Eveline White Prestige 4D Whitening Eye Cream, and it's really good if you have eye bags or eye puffiness like me, then it's really good. Then as my primer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Coverall Primer, and this is the first time I'm using it, so let's see how it works. And today as my foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation, and this is one of my favorite. It is lightweight and gives medium to full coverage, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. And only drawback of this foundation is it oxidizes slightly, so you need to choose one shade lighter maybe. And this is perfect for oily skin types. And to blend the foundation, I'm using this EcoTool sponge, and it doesn't soak up too much of the product. So I have fully blended the foundation, and as you can see, it is looking really flawless and full coverage because I have applied 2 layers, and it really gives a matte finish, and this is perfect for oily skins. And as my concealer, I'm going to use Nars Cream Concealer in the shade Custard. And to set my concealers in place, I'm using this MAC loose powder. And to set my full face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and from the palette I'm using this banana shade. And all the Wet n Wild products I'm using in this video, you will get it from Lyra import page, and I will put that link below in my description box. So now it's time to do my eyes, and today I'm going to do very neutral eyes, not too much, not too bold, so it will be very simple and neutral. So to start my eyes, I'm going to use first this color right here, and this is going to be my transition color. And to define my crease a little bit, and I'm going to use this color Cypress Umber, very tiny amount just on the crease. And for my lid, I'm going to use this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow. And to line my eyes, I'm using this Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liner. And as my mascara, I'm using this Golden Rose Catwalk Mascara. And my lashes, I'm using this JANDS eyelashes, and in the shade Jagannathpur. And for my lower waterline, I'm using this Rimmel Scandalize in the shade Nude. And I'm just contouring my face with this Wet n Wild contour palette. And as my blush, I'm going to use this beautiful blush from JANDS, and the shade name is Sadia. I simply love this blush because it's really blendable and gives a very nice pinkish shade, so it's really lovely. And as my highlighter, I'm again using this Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter. And as my lipstick, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. At first, I'm lining my lips with this Wet n Wild lip liner. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you all liked it, and if you liked, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video, so till then, take care and lots of love.